Okay guys, 2018 Tesla Model 3, long range. Rebuilt title, did have some front end damage. It's all fixed up. This cool carbon fiber spoiler on there. Black interior, panoramic roof, all glass top. Tires. Start it up here for you. It's got the heated seats. Chill standard mode, comfort. This is your self-driving capability, summons your car. Navigation. 15,000 miles. Does have a little scrapes here on this wheel. It's like a little scratch there in the hood. Here's your charging kit. Look at the gaps, color match. All looks great. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.